All Pro Gutter Guards provides fast, reliable emergency gutter repair in Furlong, Pennsylvania, ensuring your home stays protected from leaks, overflow, and sudden storm damage. Our experts respond quickly and deliver durable, long-lasting repair solutions to restore your gutter system's performance and prevent costly water issues before they spread. Call our emergency gutter repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for an emergency gutter repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. What qualifies as an emergency gutter repair? An emergency gutter repair is needed when your gutters are causing immediate risks, such as active leaks, severe clogs, sagging sections, storm damage, or overflowing water that threatens your roof, foundation, or interior. How quickly can All Pro Gutter Guards respond to an emergency in Furlong, PA? We strive to provide same-day or next-day emergency service in Furlong, PA whenever possible, especially during severe weather or when your home is at risk of water damage. What is your service area for the Furlong, Pennsylvania service office? Our emergency gutter repair serve the following: Furlong, New Britain, Doylestown, Chalfont, Hatfield, Colmar, Buckingham, Fountainville, Percy, Sellersville, Souderton, Telford, Harleysville, New Hope, Mechanicsville, Gardenville, Plumsteadville, Dublin, Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Where is your Furlong, Pennsylvania emergency gutter repair office located? We are located at 3488 York Road, Building A, Suite F2, Furlong, Pennsylvania 18925. Our phone number is 267-641-7031. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/furlong-pa.